Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how you can connect your RMoney Symphony account with Tradetron. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all you have to log in at Tradetron's account. Once you log in successfully, click on this profile icon, open broker and exchanges option. And now click on add broker. Here in the search box, type RMoney. Make sure you select RMoney Symphony if you are using XTS. Here you have to enter your interactive API credential, your API key and secret key. So these keys are available in your RMoney's API dashboard. For that you have to visit RMoney website, select Rocket API and here click on API documentation. Once you log in, you can directly paste your interactive API key and secret key. So once you paste these, click on save. Your RMoney's XTS connection with Tradetron is now successfully completed. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and if you have any doubt, please do comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.
Investments and securities are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully.